Want to know how to train your sales team with CrankWheel? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using CrankWheel effectively and how it can transform your team's sales process. And here's the best part. You can start using CrankWheel for free with our exclusive bonus just by clicking the link in the description below. So stick around to learn how this simple tool can help streamline your sales process, boost conversions, and even train your sales team without overwhelming them. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to implement CrankWheel in your business right away. First off, CrankWheel is an amazing screen sharing tool that's designed for salespeople. It's fast, seamless, and doesn't require any installations or signups for prospects. Perfect for sales calls where you need to share your screen instantly, CrankWheel makes everything happen with just a click. Now, let's dive into how you can train your sales team using CrankWheel. The first thing to note is that it's incredibly easy to onboard your team. There's no steep learning curve. Sales reps just need to get used to clicking a single button to share their screen with prospects. And you don't need to worry about technical hiccups or complicated setups. That simplicity helps get your team up to speed in no time. Next thing, you can customize the CrankWheel interface to match your team style. Whether it's adding your branding or setting up personalized meeting links, CrankWheel gives you the ability to tweak the software so it feels unique to your business. This kind of personalization can make a huge difference in your team's comfort level when using it. The third thing is training your team to use CrankWheel during live demos and calls. Sales reps can share specific parts of their screen in real time, showing prospects only the relevant information. This targeted approach helps keep the conversation focused, and your team can adapt quickly, showing potential clients exactly what they need to see without any distractions. Next, let's talk about CrankWheel's integration with CRM systems. This is huge for tracking and improving your team's performance. CrankWheel syncs with tools like Salesforce, ensuring that every call is logged and every lead is tracked. It's like having a virtual assistant for your sales team, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Another thing CrankWheel does exceptionally well is supporting remote teams. If your sales team is spread out across different locations, CrankWheel ensures they can still collaborate smoothly, whether they're in the office or working remotely. This makes it perfect for modern sales teams that need to be flexible and mobile. The fourth thing you need to keep in mind is analytics. CrankWheel doesn't just help with training and demos, it also provides valuable insights into how your team is performing. You'll get access to detailed reports that show which reps are engaging with clients effectively and where there might be room for improvement. This data lets you fine-tune your sales training approach. So, by now, you've seen that CrankWheel is a game changer for training your sales team. It's easy to use, customizable, and integrates with your existing tools to boost your sales team's effectiveness. And the best part? You can get started completely free with our exclusive bonus, so check out the first link below to access an extended free trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that extended free trial and start training your sales team with CrankWheel today.